Hi, friends. Every big dream starts with a clear goal, and today we're diving into the exact objectives that will take your digital product idea from just a thought to a profitable online shop. Let's get started. I started out with just an idea, creating resources for kids and parents. Now I run a profitable educational resource shop, and guess what? You can do the same. To get started, let's focus on three key objectives: knowing who you're selling to, creating valuable products, and developing a marketing strategy. These will set the foundation for your success and help you reach long-term goals like consistent sales, loyal customers, and an expanding product line. Your niche is your foundation. Who do you want to help? What problem do you want to solve? By researching your competitors and really understanding your audience, you'll find your sweet spot in the market. Once you've defined your niche, focus on creating high-quality content. Your products should be engaging, clear, and useful for your audience. Think of it this way: if it's helpful and fun, people will come back for more. Now it's time to set up shop. Whether you choose Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or even tools like Beacon AI or Stand Store, make sure you pick a platform that fits your goals and your budget. No shop grows without marketing. Use social media to connect with your audience and email to nurture those relationships. This is how you build trust and keep your customers coming back. Your launch is your chance to shine. Create buzz with a live event, partner with influencers for social proof, and don't be afraid to use discounts to get those first sales rolling in. Finally, don't forget to track your results. Look at your sales metrics, ask your customers for feedback, and keep improving your products. Growth comes from listening and adapting, and there you have it. Remember, friend, every successful shop starts with one small step. If you're ready to dive deeper, grab my step-by-step ebook, How I Turned My Passion for Early Childhood Learning into Profit, and how you can too. Explore my shop today. Visit KrinaKidsLearning.com or follow me at KrinaKids. You've got this. Now go turn that passion into profit.